Bob was having a lot of trouble keeping track of every step in the lifespan of a certificate. The cycle of discovery, enrollment, provisioning, and expirations never ends. Any firm needs certificates for security and compliance, but managing them can be a real pain. Like Bob, a lot of IT specialists are having trouble keeping up with the increasing quantity of credentials. Bob needs a better way to manage these certificates. They're just too important to let them expire without notice. The loss of confidence, unanticipated downtime, and security breaches can result from certificate expirations. Additionally, manual verification of each certificate can be time-consuming and error-prone. That's when Bob heard about Certificate Lifecycle Management by Encryption Consulting. It's a centralized solution for managing all the certificates from a single platform. Now Bob can automate the entire process, from discovery to renewal to revocation. Bob is now very excited to see all his certificates in one place, and the platform alerts him when a certificate is about to expire. And he can renew it with just a few clicks. Bob no longer needs to be concerned about certificate expirations and security breaches thanks to Certificate Lifecycle Management by Encryption Consulting. Knowing that his certifications are always safe and up to date allows him to concentrate on duties that are more crucial. You can bid certificate problems farewell and welcome peace of mind with the help of our Certificate Lifecycle Management. Book your demo call today and experience the difference for yourself.